Hi guys! First thing we did was searching for tiles we like and we decided to pick this one. At Floor and Decor store, they have plenty of options but I really like white backsplash. Simple and clean. And we also got this D-Drop provide uncoupling to prevent cracked tile and grout. Serve as a waterproofing layer that protects moisture, sensitive substrate. In short, to prevent damage to the tile layer above. My husband tried to pull one tile and see how hard to take off those old tiles. It seemed like it wasn't that hard.
Wow, here goes the hammerhead. Can you grab that in? Some strong stuff they used. Harbor Freight special. And this is too, so. Right here probably. Oh look, they used like a mesh.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. This is gonna be a nightmare to take up.
Yeah.
Yeah, an absolute nightmare to take up.
Actually, it wasn't that hard as we thought. Our little young lady wanted to help and she liked it. This is what it looked like after we took off those old tiles. The next day, the cabinets and drawers came that we ordered online at Home Depot website. Alright, first step for tiling our floor, we put that beater thing, and we put the cement on, and we put the tile on, and make sure it's level. We've got leveling spacer system to look like a professional and get that flawless finish. This will help improve the flatness of ceramic tiles and create uniform gaps between tiles. Thanks to our friend Ian who helped us laying those tiles. We rented the tile cutter at Home Depot and I think it was $35 a day. Our kitchen was about 80 square feet. We took 2 days to tile the floor and we have to wait 24 hours before we put the grout on. I don't have a video of us grouting, but it was easy for a small space like ours. We searched for a light fixture that goes to our kitchen sink above and we found one on Amazon. Floor tiles are finished and we put the new drawers and bottom cabinets, and my multi-talented husband tried to do the plumbing because we are also changing our dishwasher and sink. So cabinets and dishwasher were ready and we made sure everything were leveled for the new countertop. The next day they delivered our new countertop and it was beautiful quartz. We got it from local in Nashville, Tennessee. And we are ready for backsplash installing. If you are paying attention, as you notice, we made the floating shelves first. We took those shelves off and we put the orange thing cut around the shelves bracket support. To install the backsplash, same thing for the floor, but we decided not to put the fancy leveling spacer system. We tiled around the bracket and we put the shelves back on before we do the grouting. As I was saying, grouting was easy, just to make sure you wipe it off before it dries so the finish is smooth and flawless. We also installed lights under the cabinets and it gives more sophisticated bright in the kitchen. Few days after, our Vinted came and we got it from Amazon, and we looked for a decent looking stove at Sears in Nashville, and I love it. Everything is looking so good and we are so proud that we did it by ourselves. So here's the before and after. I know, I was so skinny then, huh? The kitchen was dark and now the lights and the colors of the kitchen gives a lot more difference and nice ambience. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe, share this one, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more inspirations. If you are on Facebook, please like and follow us on Facebook. It's called Around House Projects. Thank you so much for supporting our channel and thank you so much for watching our videos, and I hope to see you all next time.